Today we'll discuss about the integers. So integers, there are four types: whole numbers, natural numbers, odd even integers, prime and composite numbers. So there are rules for integers based on the four basic operations. So today we will discuss on the basic four operations. Addition rule: if the sign of both integers is same, the result will have the same sign. Two positives equal a positive, two negative equal a negative. For example, 5 plus 5 equal to 10, minus 14 plus minus 12 equal to minus 26. If the two numbers being have different sign, it will lead to a subtraction and the result will have the sign of the larger. For example, minus 2 plus 10 equal to 8, or if minus 10 plus 2 then equal to 8. Subtraction rule: keep the sign of first number same and change the operator from subtraction to addition, and change the sign of the second number. Once you apply this rule, follow the rules for adding integers. So if you go subtraction rule, we have to keep the sign of first number same, change the operator from subtraction to addition, and change the sign of the second number. Then once you apply this rule, follow the rules for adding integers that we have seen the earlier. So you have to change the multiplication division rule. If the signs are same, multiply or divide, the answer is always positive. For example, 5 into 5 25, minus 5 into minus 5 25. If the signs are different, multiply or divide, the answer is always negative. Minus 5 into minus 5 minus 25, 25 divided minus 5 minus 5. There are 5 properties that integers fit into. The first 4 are same as natural numbers, and last one is the identity property. First 4 means associative property, closure property, distributive property, and the last one is identity property. The identity property that any integer added to 0 will give the same number. So 0 is called the additive identity. For example, x plus 0 equal to x, or x equal to 0 plus x. The multiplicative indicates when an integer is multiplied by 1, the integer itself has a place. So 1 is called the multiplicative one. The integer x into 1, x 1 into x. If any multiply the product with 0, then x into 0 equal to 0, 0 into x. Any integer multiply the product will be opposite of the number. X into minus 1 minus x, or equal to minus 1 into x. So that would be all for this one. Thank you.